Hi, I'm Coach Jill with Copilot. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the hip flexor stretch. This stretch is really great for opening up the front of your hips as well as your quads. So you're gonna feel this all the way from the top of your hip bones, running down your quads into your knees. To begin this movement, you're gonna start in a kneeling position. I'd recommend grab something that you can put underneath of your knees just for a little bit more comfort. To start, you're going to bring one leg up about 90 degrees. So both knees are bent at 90 degrees here, keeping your back toes tucked under. For this move, it's very simple. All you need to do is focus on tucking those hips under, rib cages down, and shift forward slightly. You're gonna feel the stretch really deep in the front of the hips, all the way down into your quad. You can hold this stretch here for anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. And then when you're ready, you're gonna bring that foot down, switch sides. Again, 90-degree bend here. Your ankle should be right underneath of the knee, tucking the hips, tucking the pelvis under, rib cages down, and slight shift forward into the stretch, feeling it running from the top of your hip all the way down towards your knee. When you're done, you'll come out of that stretch. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from our channel.